Okay, now I need to explain here when you have these two ways to question how to do that, right? That's why I wrote the same thing little different. Now only here we have equal sign and this part. Here the same thing. Here they will tell you simplify, uh, make a single fraction and simplify sometime, or just simplify. But here slow. Here equal sign, we have equal sign, and then they will tell to slow. Now here and here we can apply, you can do using 2-3 method. But here I will show you as I feel what the easy and quick method, right? That's the idea. So try to understand when we have this two situation how to do this. Okay, here like this. Now we have equal here. This is our normal equation. Now here when we have denominators 5, 4, 7, find the LCM of these three, right? If you can't get the LCM, if you forget how to get the LCM, just multiply like this. For the 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 70. That is not always LCM. You can't get always LCM like that. Sometime LCM, but that also work. That number, what the answer, your answer, you can use that also. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 7, 140. You can use even that, right? But how to get the LCM also, you need to remember. So I will show you doing that, right? How to get the LCM, right? Here I will show you here. Now 5, I will remind you 5, 4, 7, right? From all these three denominator, I need to find the LCM. Divide by 2, but the lowest prime number. Here you can't divide, so get to down. And here you can divide by 2, so divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 7 again you can't. Again divide by 2, here 5 you can't. 2 you can, 1. Here 7 you can't. Now divide by next prime number 3. Here there's no any number you can divide by 3, so go to 5 like this. I don't need to explain this thing. Then divide by 7. I need to remind you that's right here. Okay, 1. Now just multiply these three, this all numbers. Sorry, here 4 numbers. No, multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 7, 140. Like I told you, here also we get the LCM when you multiply these three, but not always, right? Right. Okay, now by 140 you need to multiply this all numerators, only numerators. This is the key thing I need to show you here. You need to multiply this all fractions, only numerator. But here not like that. Here, because here we have equation, no. So only numerator multiplied by 140. Okay, now by 140 you need to multiply, right? Here 140, only numerator. But here not like that. I will show you it. Here I will multiply this all numerator. Here numerator contain two terms now, 2x and plus 1. Both I need to multiply by 140. That's why I put here bracket, and by 140 I multiply. Here also this numerator has two things. Denominator has only 4. Numerator has two things, the x and 1. So this both I need to multiply by 140. So I will write here 100 by 140 multiply this one. Here also I will multiply by 140. I can put this side to this side. It doesn't matter. Right. Basic idea. This numerator multiply by the 140. Okay. Now you can multiply this by 140 or cut this. This is the easier way. Cut this with the 5. This will be cut always, right? Basic idea here. We remove this denominator from this all three fractions. That's the target. If you multiply the LCM of these denominators, that means you try to remove this denominator from this fraction. Then it will be easy. That's the target here, right? Cut this one. How many 5 are there in 5? 1. How many 5 are there in 140? In 1 there's no 5. In 14 you have 2 5. Then you will have remain 4. In 40 how many 5 you have? 8, right? Or just use the calculator. Here by 140 and 4 you can cut again by 4. How many 4 are there in 4? 1. How many 4 are there in 140? Let's check. In 1 there is no 4. In 14 how many 4? It will be 3. Then 2 remain now. In 20 how many 4? It is 5. Remember 4 and 140 I divide by 4, right? Okay, here also we can cut. how many 7 are there in 7? 1. How many 7 are there in 140? It is 20, right? Okay, now easily we remove the denominators, right? Okay, now by 28 multiply this both. 28 into 2x, it will be 56x, right? 28 into 1, it will be just 28, right? Then 35 into x, it will be plus 35x. 35 into plus 1, it will be just 35. 35 into 1, just 35, no? Okay, here 20 into 5x, it will be 100x. Now look, we remove all the denominator, we get normal equation now. Now you have to solve this. Okay, let's see do 56x plus 35x. What the answer? Here will be 1 and it will be 91x. 35 plus 20. What the answer? 4 plus 2, it's 63, right? 35 plus 20, these are like terms, no? I mean 56x, 35x, x, both has x, so like terms, so we can add this plus this. I add here, these are just number, no? You can add 28 plus 35, here 100x, then here 91x from sorry, I will do this way. For the 91x, I will bring to here. 63 keep here. So here 63, here 100x. I brought this 91x to here. I will bring here. So minus 91x. So what the answer here? 63 here. 100 minus 91 mean 9. 9x. To find x, what I need to do? Divide both sides by 9. So here answer will be what, the 7. 6 in 63, how many 9? 7, no? So we got the answer. Okay, now look very carefully how to do this one, right? This part. Now you can see here same this left side one, here we have. Now they not tell to solve, they tell make a single fraction simplify or just simplify. So now you need to simplify this. How to do this? Now you can't get LCM and multiply this both by LCM, only numerator multiply by the LCM. No, now there's no equal sign. This is the main thing I need to tell you here, key thing. But when you have equal sign, yeah, get the LCM of this all denominator, multiply by that LCM, this all fractions. But here, no, you can't do, because why? This is not an equation, this is just an expression, there's no equal sign. Then you need to do what? The make same denominator, make the same denominator. Now how to make the same denominator here? Here I can make 20 if I multiply by 4, that means by this number. Here I can make 20 if I multiply by this number, that means 5, right? Here I will multiply by 4, so up also I need to multiply by 4. Now try to understand these two different. Now here when I make same denominator, I multiply denominator by a number, but it is a rule, you need to multiply by the same number numerator also. You need to multiply numerator also by the same number. Here something different. When you make the same when you make the same denominator, you need to multiply numerator and denominator both. But when you make here, to remove this denominator from an equation, you have fractions here. From these fractions, you need to remove this denominator. So get the LCM, by LCM multiply these all fractions, right? Here not like that. There may be sometime here not fraction, but still you need to multiply by that LCM, even that number, right? Okay, here now I need to get 20, so that's why I multiply by 4. Here I need to get 20, so I will multiply by 5 here. So here also I will need to multiply by 5. Try to understand these two different, because some are confused with here with this situation and this situation, right? Here now will be 20. Okay, I don't need to write it. Yeah, okay, I will write by this step, don't need actually that much. 4 into 2x, it will be 8x. Here 4 into 1, it will be just 4. And here 20, 4 into 4, 4 into 5, 20. 5 into x, it will be 5x. 5 into plus 1, it will be just 5. Now we have same denominator, so you can put only one denominator. Actually here also you can put one denominator and just multiply these, right? Now 8x, okay, I will write here same denominator. No, 8x. Now I am writing more step, actually don't need that much. Now here 8x plus 5x mean what the answer? 8x plus 5x mean it is 13x. Here plus 4 plus 5 mean it plus 9, right? Like terms, no, you can add these two. Here both has x, both 5 and 8 both has x, so like terms you can add that too. 8x plus 5x mean 13x, 4 plus 5 mean 9. So this is the simplified answer. You can do for this one, this is the thing you can do, just simplify, right? Try to understand these two situation. This is very important. When you have this way, we get the LCM of all denominators and try to remove these denominators. But when you have this way situation, we make same denominator, yeah, and then after simplify.